With Black Friday just around the corner, brands are gearing up for the biggest sales event of the year. And to succeed, they need to have a killer marketing strategy. Today we're diving into the world of social media and collaborations to uncover how brands can make the most of this shopping extravaganza. Grab your coffee, because this is going to be juicy. Picture this. You're a brand trying to stand out on Black Friday. How do you do it? One word: collaboration. Take the recent partnership between SKIMS and Swarovski for example. By teaming up, they were able to leverage each other's strengths and create massive buzz. When Kim Kardashian's brand SKIMS joined forces with the iconic Swarovski, magic happened. With the help of Kim's massive social media following and the aspirational appeal of Swarovski, they created a unique and highly appealing collection. It was a match made in marketing heaven. The celebrities and influencers associated with the collaboration helped generate excitement and entice consumers to join the hype. And trust me, it worked. Now that you're all excited about collaborations, it's time to talk about how brands can maximize their reach. Enter multi-channel marketing. It's all about spreading your message across various platforms to create a comprehensive, unstoppable marketing blitz. SKIMS and Swarovski didn't rely solely on social media. They went all out. They utilized traditional print media, TV coverage, and even influencer partnerships to ensure their collaboration was on everyone's radar. Talk about taking over the world. By being everywhere, they generated excitement and curiosity, ultimately driving sales through the roof. And that's the power of a well-executed multi-channel marketing approach. Alright marketers, it's time for our takeaway. Other brands looking to conquer Black Friday should pay close attention to what SKIMS and Swarovski accomplished. Collaboration, social media presence, and multi-channel marketing are the secret ingredients to success. So here's what you can do. Start by identifying potential collaborators who complement your brand. Then, leverage social media and influential voices to create anticipation and spread the word. And lastly, don't be afraid to go all out with your marketing, encompassing various channels to ensure maximum exposure. Remember marketers, Black Friday is all about the deals, but it's also about the thrill of hunting for the best ones. By following in the footsteps of SKIMS and Swarovski, brands can create an unforgettable shopping experience for their customers. That's it for today marketers. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting insights into the world of digital marketing and entrepreneurship. Until next time, happy shopping, stay marketing.